Hi again. Welcome back to Guess What? Today, we're asking, what's the number? Let's find out. Plus. She can bake a cake. Look, 5 cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now there are 9 cherries. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Minus. He can make pizza. Look, 6 slices of pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Now there are 2 slices of pizza. 6 minus 4 equals 2. What do you know? What's the number? 5 plus 4 equals? Yes! 5 plus 4 equals 9. What's the number? 6 minus 4 equals? Yes! 6 minus 4 equals 2. Good job! See you next time on Guess What? Bye!
Guess what?